gonna tell Apple that? One of the largest businesses in the world?
They definitely gonna tell Apple that and then go back to their cap-ass life. That's why I say a lot of shit in the streets, bro, is a facade. Once you really in it. See, once you really in it, everybody talking about, you know how hard it is to make 100K in the streets, bro? That shit is hard. It's hard to get a 50 ball and have it. Don't let that shit fool you, bro. Like, the music have it to where a lot of people are rapping about anomalies. Yeah, I made a
and that's just a society in general. Even when you go on Instagram, oh, bro, I made 50,000 in the stock market with 2 trades.
Yeah,
it's like, bro, you not know 95% of traders do not make any money? So how is all these people making money?
Come on, man.
How does that make any sense? 95% of stock traders make no money. They lose money. So how is it on Instagram, every single person that I see is making tens of thousands of dollars? I've even seen people say, oh man, I put in $1 million trade. I made $5 million this morning. Woo. Yeah, that was an easy day at work. It's like, bro, y'all just believe and it's not just music. Music is a problem, but it's just, I think it's just the society as a whole, you know what I mean? So
yeah, the society is a capped society, bro. Like, the shit is capped, dog. And that's because, bro, people don't keep it all the way up in, and everybody thinks what the unnormal is normal.
Shout out to Neo Campus. Y'all need to go check out, bro.
It's not right now. No. Why not? Because I said I'm stop whenever I want to, not whenever you want me to. What the f*** is wrong with you? I'm trying to control you. So what you want to do? I'm trying to do whatever you're trying to do. I go to bed too. Wait, what you doing? Oh my God, I gotta tap this off first. My sausage can't work unless I tap this off. Give me a second. I'll be back there in no time. Okay. I'm gonna give it to you too. Trust me. I'm waiting for it. Hey, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm a couple minutes late to my doctor's appointment. Yeah, that was unfortunately a terrible accident. Oh no, is everything okay? Oh, yes, ma'am. Everything's fine. I didn't get here. Zaf for the Excuse me? Nothing. All right, so I need 2 spots in paperwork. You can see your doctor. All right, good. Emergency contact 832-555-3432. Relationship.
Plug. Put his plug as the emergency contact. You know where to find me.
If you're growing indoors or thinking about growing indoors, you probably also thought about grow lights. In today's episode, we're going to talk all about the myths and misconceptions around grow lights. The first myth about grow lights that I don't want you to believe is that you need a grow light. Now, for years, as a beginning gardener, I grew under a shop light. I went out to my local hardware store, I bought a $25 shop light that had compact fluorescent tubes in it, and it worked amazing. Now, was it as efficient as some of your more grow light setups? Absolutely not. But it was affordable, and it was effective for what I needed at the time as a beginning gardener. And so if you're in that phase of your kind of gardening lifestyle and you don't want to go out and buy a really expensive setup, you absolutely don't have to. You can get by with a shop light. The only thing I'd say with a shop light is make sure that you keep it lower to your plants, much lower, because they're not as powerful, they don't have as much output, and because there's only 2 bulbs, regardless if it's compact fluorescent or an LED setup, the closeness will need to be, well, the distance, I should say, should be a whole lot closer because it's just not as strong. But you absolutely can get by with a shop light or even one of those coiled, the spirally compact fluorescent lights. Those work great as well. Just keep it close to your plants and you'll be fine. You don't need anything too fancy. The second myth about grow lights that I don't want you to believe is that if you were transitioning from compact fluorescent to LED, that you have to buy. In some cases that might T5 to T8 to T12 type compact fluorescent tube light setup, like these setups behind me, you absolutely do not have to. Nowadays, technology has adapted to making an LED tube light. Now, these are a plastic, some are glass, but most are plastic, and that means they don't break. Try doing that with a compact fluorescent tube. Absolutely is going to break all day long. And not to mention, those compact fluorescent tubes do have heavy metals inside of them, but gases inside are not great